Hey students, welcome to Unit 9. This unit we're going to continue and wrap up, complete our self-branding booklet. You've had several weeks to work on it. First week you identified some ideas. Second week you worked with some exercises that supported what you may be working on within the booklet, such as some character and paragraph styles. Those were not required, but it is required that you do master pages. And you complete category narratives, assure variation amongst the pages so that they look similar but they're not all the same. Also, to solidify positioning and alignment, double check your links, make sure those images and graphics are all traveling together within one folder, and then apply styles if applicable. Again, that wasn't required, but it's great if you were dabbling in it. When we did our test, I believe that was Unit 7. We worked on the Expedition Tea Company quiz, hands-on quiz. It's great if you were able to transfer some of that into your self-branding booklet, the paragraph and character style sheets. Might have made your life a little easier. Next, for this particular unit, we have packaging your project is essential in order to submit it. So I've provided a video on how to do that. This video is showing the packaging of your Project 1, which is the chair ad. And so, of course, you viewed this already. So it's just kind of a nice little second review so that you're able to apply that to your self-branding booklet, because I won't accept any of these if they're not packaged and include a PDF. So those are just things that are really important. If you're curious to know how one might set this up for printing with a vendor professionally, here is another small tutorial that shows you how you might do that. While it's not required, it's great knowledge and important for you to know as a graphic designer. Last, if you want to cite some of your sources, include one last page within your PDF. You can do so very easily in your design. Add an additional page and cite your websites and sources that you pulled some of your images from if they weren't all Creative Commons or free imagery. And I want to stress that that is the way you want to practice your design process from this point forward. If you're not already doing it, if it takes you a few extra minutes, this is your only focus this week. It's very important that you do that. Refer to all your sources, where'd you get your free artwork, and just note the website at the end of your booklet prior to submitting your booklet at the end of this next unit. Okay, and then lastly, I provided a forum for you all to kind of interact again, support each other, give each other feedback one more time before you submit your final. This is the only thing we're working on this week. This unit, we do not have an exercise. So be sure that you are refining all of those, dot your I's and cross your T's, make sure everything's good. Again, check on your variation, write your narratives, again, an estimated 50 words, double check your links, apply styles, package. And by packaging, you want to do a file package within InDesign. Follow this video here to do so and submit. I will look forward to seeing you in the next virtual video next week when we move on to a new project and some new exercises. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.